Hey guys, it's Dani here. Welcome to another one of my videos. Today we're going to be learning scapula push-ups, okay? Scapula push-ups are a really good exercise, kind of like a precursor for actual push-ups, where you're going to be just moving your scapula. So this part of your back, this one's. So basically you're going to be doing this while you're on a push-up position. So what we're going to do is we're going to get in a push-up position. So arms shoulder width apart. I don't want them super open. I don't want them super close. Just shoulder width apart, very straight, okay? And our body is gonna be completely straight, kind of like in a diagonal position, but completely straight with our bum squeezed and our core tight, okay? What we're gonna do next is we're just gonna bring our shoulders up and down and up and down. As you can see it here, it will be literally just up and down, up and down while we're on that push-up. You gotta have a lot of coordination, so just make sure that you're kind of like doing it and practicing it maybe in front of a mirror at first, and then when you feel confident, then just start doing it away from the mirror. That was it, guys. Super simple, super easy. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more of these videos. If you enjoyed it, give it a like. Any comments in the box below if you have any questions, and otherwise I'll see you in the next one.